Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I'm going to discuss few more vocabulary regarding new HSK1, the proficiency test of Chinese language for level 1. So the first word is pa. Repeat after me. Pa, pa. In English, it means 8. In Urdu, we can call it art. Pa with the first tone means 8. Second word is pi. Pi. Pi means white. White. Okay. And in Urdu, it is known as safed. Pi with the second tone, rising tone. Okay, another word is pi. Pi, tian, pi, tian. Daytime in English, it's called daytime. And in Urdu, we can call it din ka waqt. Din ka waqt. Okay, the fourth word is banyan. Banyan. Banyan means half year. Half year in English, and in Urdu it is Ada Sal. Ada Sal. Okay, fifth word is Papa. Papa. And it means dad. It means dad. Okay, dad in English and Abbu in Urdu. So the first word is pa, means 8, yani 8. Pi means white, yani safed. Pi thin, daytime, din ka waqt. Banyan, half year, Ada sal. Papa, dad, Abbu. Okay, let's proceed towards other words. Another word is pang. Pang. This is word number 6. Pang. Pang means help in English, and in Urdu we can call it madad. Madad. Word number 7 is pangmang. Pangmang. And this word is also used for saying help. Madad. Okay. Word number 8 is ba. Ba. It is a word or particle or an auxiliary in Chinese language, and this is used for suggesting something to someone. तजवीज़ देना किसी को किसी चीज़ के बारे में. Like I'll just write a sentence for you and use it in that so you can understand that what is the use of that. woman 走我们走吧我们走吧 let's go. So it is suggesting that let us go. In Urdu we can say हमें चलना चाहिए. So ये एक तजवीज़ है जो कि दी जा रही है दूसरे शख्स को, ठीक है, and it has other uses as well. One other use of ba is that ba is used for asking a question about a supposition. Like I'll just write for you. 他会来吧他会来吧 He will come. Won't he? He will come. Won't he? वो आएगा. ऐसा है कि नहीं, या आएगा कि नहीं. 他会来吧他会来吧 He will come. Won't he? So it is like used for confirmation, to confirm it, that if he is really coming or not. So this is another use of this word. It has different other uses as well, but for now you just understand that it is just an auxiliary which is used for different purposes. One of its purposes that it is used for suggestion. One of its other purposes that it is used for confirmation by asking a question about a supposition. किसी चीज़ के बारे में, किसी ऐसी चीज़ के बारे में ये तस्दीक की जा रही है कि ऐसा है कि नहीं है, तो उसके लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Word number 9 is ban tian. In English we can call it half day, and in Urdu it means आधा दिन. Okay, word number 10 is पाव. Pav has different meaning, but one of its meaning is bag, basta in Urdu. Word number 11 is Bao Zi. 包子 包子 is steamed, stuffed bun. So it's a type of a cake which is filled with sweet and savory ingredients. एक किस्म का केक है जो चीनी लोग खाते हैं और जो कि मीठी और चटपटी अज्जा से बड़ा होता है, तो इसको पाओज़ बोलते हैं. इट इज़ वेरी फेमस इन चाइना और चीन में बहुत सारे लोग इसको खाते हैं. देयर इज़ other word which is very famous in Peshawar, and this is made by Afghani people. अफ़गानी लोग बनाते हैं पेशावर में इसको, और उसको को बोलते हैं वो मांथो. मांथो पेशावर में लोग इसको मंतू बोलते हैं. So this is also steamed stuffed bun. It has the same meaning, though it is not a part of HSK1, but it is for your information that there is another type of this bun, and that is called mantho, steamed stuffed bun. Okay, mantho is not mantu, it is called mantho. Okay, Peshawari people know this one. Word number 12 is a major word. I'm going to write it for you. Pay. It's a major word. Major word, it is a classifier or a major word in Chinese language, and it is used for counting. If I say a cup of tea, how will I say it in Chinese language? So it is E pay, E pay, cha, a cup of tea, a cup of tea, chai ki pyali, a cup of tea. So this is how we use it. If you want to count something in Chinese language, it is not that simple. You need to use a major word for that, and this major word is used for certain containers of liquid, okay, like cup or glass, such like things. For such like things, if you are counting it, then we will say pay for that. E pay, cha, a cup of tea, chai ki, chai ka cup. Okay, so this is how we say it. So totally we have covered 16 words in HSK1 until now, and we are going to cover other words regarding new HSK1 words. So stay in touch, keep watching, keep supporting Chinese Language Made Easy, and don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. We are going to meet in another interesting video regarding different other topics about Chinese language. See you, 再见.